Hello and welcome. Today's lesson is about greetings in English. Greetings are an important part of communication in any language. They are the first words we say when we meet someone, and they can set the tone for the entire conversation. So, let's begin. Let's start with the most common greetings. Basic greetings. Repeat after me slowly. Hello. Hi. Hey. We use hello anytime and with anyone. Hi is friendly and informal, used in casual conversations. And hey is very casual, used with friends only. Let's say them again. Hello. Hi. Hey. Formal and informal greetings. In English, there are formal and informal greetings. It's important to know when to use each one. Let's start with formal greetings. Formal greetings are used in professional settings, when showing respect to someone, at formal gatherings, or when meeting someone for the first time. Here are some common formal greetings. How do you do? How do you do? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you too. I'm pleased to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you too. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Good to see you. Good to see you too. How are you doing? I'm doing well, thank you. It's lovely to meet you. It's lovely to meet you too. We also greet people depending on the time of day. Good morning, used from sunrise to noon, or when first meeting someone in the morning. Good afternoon, used from noon until around 5 or 6 p.m. Good evening, used from sunset until bedtime. Note, good night is not a greeting. It's used to say goodbye. When someone greets you with good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, you should respond with the same greeting. For example, good morning. Good morning. It's also important to use titles when addressing someone in a business or academic setting. For example, good morning, Mr. Smith. Good morning, Miss Jane. Use Miss for an unmarried woman. Use Mrs. for a married woman. Use Ms. when you don't know. It's polite and neutral. Use Mr. for men. Always use the title that the person prefers. Teachers and professors will often tell you how to address them. Pay attention and use that title. For example, hello, I'm Miss Jane, and I'll be your English teacher. When meeting someone famous, important, or highly respected, we use very polite greetings. For example, it's an honor to meet you. This means you feel happy, proud, or lucky to meet that person. Examples: it's an honor to meet you, Mr. President. It's an honor to meet you, Professor Kim. I've read all your books. If someone says, it's an honor to meet you, you can reply, the honor is mine. Note, don't use this with friends or classmates. It's too formal. Instead, say, nice to meet you, or good to meet you. Informal greetings. Now let's look at informal greetings. These are used in casual settings with friends, family, classmates, or people you know well. Here are some examples. Hey. Hi. What's up? How's it going? How ya? Hey there. Long time no see. Informal greetings help you sound friendly and relaxed. You can use them at parties, sports events, or casual meetups. Greetings aren't only about words. We also greet people with actions and expressions. Handshakes. A handshake is polite when you meet someone for the first time, especially in formal or professional settings. Shake hands firmly but gently and smile while making eye contact. Hugs. A hug is a warm greeting used with close friends or family. Don't hug strangers unless you are sure it's appropriate. Waves. Waving is a friendly way to say hello or goodbye. It's often used from a distance. Smiling. Smiling is universal. It shows friendliness and politeness. Always smile when greeting someone. It helps them feel comfortable. Eye contact. Eye contact shows confidence and respect. Look at the person's face, but don't stare. This is especially important in formal situations. Different countries have different ways of greeting. In English-speaking countries, people usually shake hands or say hello with a smile. In other cultures, people might bow, kiss on the cheek, or hug. Always pay attention to what others do. That shows respect. Great job! Now you can greet people in English anywhere, anytime. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing by greeting people in English every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next class!